So here I have my pan and I will add all this onion. Now we will add the tomatoes, cashews, ginger, poppy seeds, salt and cardamom seeds. Also we will add the water. Now we'll boil this gravy. This is a good time for us to turn off the heat and then we'll just grind it. Now we will do the tempering for the gravy. We'll add the oil, bay leaf and other dry spices, cinnamon, cloves, cardamoms. We'll add cumin, turmeric, red chili powder and garam masala. Give it a little mix and add the gravy. And I will add sugar. Little oil floating on the top shows that our gravy is ready. We'll take potatoes, paneer, salt, red chili powder, garam masala, ginger, corn flour. Now we will mix it. There we have our dough, it's ready. We will put koftas. So now you can see some of them have a very beautiful golden color. We can take them out. So the koftas are ready.